The reason we are doing comedy store in Mbarara is kuba kali kakasichi ka show empango etukira kora kunje main stadium ebakwete chiguturo cha Bona FM. Those of you who have been there before, last year it was very huge, and we expect to go mark which is akurengo. So nchoti kora akasichi, but in terms of comedy store Uganda. Nza kushawo mwami manige maybe as a director ajeru gama bicheri akeleza mwebale mnongwa kandi mwebale kujja kupatanisa making sure at least of local press kumanza to introduce the show to the public. Thank you very much.
My name is Manige Wenceslas, and I'm the director of Bona Radio. 91.8 is found in the town of Rukunjiri, but we cover almost all the region of Western Uganda. Like speaker has said, this is not our first time to come here, the city, partnering with Alex Muhanji, my brother. We've been doing it, and so far so good. Okwijomo mu city n'umulingo gumwe go kubeta ngwaba city mwije mutayire ho Rukunjiri mu kwa musanju 2012 ntwa twineyo ko kuspeak yabagambira ekiguturo cya Bona FM ubwo mwaka tucyesire mu ruhenda myambi omwambiza na arrow. So we say it is that strong, it can break the arrows, and it is going to be massive, like I said. Why we have that chiguturo, we always celebrate. I think someone celebrating Emyaka Mnana in existence, and we want people of all walks of lives to come and be with us. We do business together. Basically, if someone has a business, you come to Rukunjiri on that day, you do business. So so dankeji, when kawaba Pepsi, Vijakuaba Rio, or in anything you can think of. For us, we are gathering thousands and thousands of people to come to one place, then they provide market for the products. So we are calling everybody to come to our Kasichi at the University in Mbarara here on 9th May. We celebrate together and we inform the public that please follow us, and we go to Rukunjiri on 12th July 2025. I take this opportunity to welcome everybody here, the bloggers or media houses, my fellow influencers, on a short notice to see that you have really come in big numbers. I'm sincerely very happy. Secondly, I'm throwing this to you. You are my brothers and sisters. That together we can. Someone can question our timing, but like my brother has said, we could not bring this before Tusi's show is done. We did it intentionally. We had numerous meetings, and we agreed that though we could have some little time ahead, but let us first support the brother. So we've been here to go kubanza kwijaha kandi turukira kwijambara honka. We've been to Fort Potro, can't planning no kuzomnyanye ndijo. So specifically for Mbarara, this is your turn, because we have a numerous number of busichi we are going to have. Tuenda kuzachika gati, tuenda kuzishaka, tuenda kuzibanda, tuza kuza rubare, tuja kuza kanu. Basically, tukuza kukora awareness. Then for Abarukunjiri, ukusanga aba bana ntabatire aha artwork age. First of all, nibo bakama ba mega event, and normally nituchira kubahereza rukungira konka na kwa hitiro tutambara handa hina bagambira bo bariyo. So tindi kuna umurete abunyinaha n'abarukija kuba bari Mbarara, then abo tukija kutwarashika gati, we are going to have them tujya kumantu tubatekamo aba barukungiri abarukija kuzakana nabo ntubamanya, abo tukuza kutwara ishaka nabo baruho, abo tukija kutwara rubare baruho, kandi nabo tukija kutwara chikagate nabo baruho. So basically for Mbarara City ejindi team eyitubaretire akatwenzire ngo talent y'abambarara City ni Mbarara nabo bakanyiramo. Eyabambarara City abene bo twabaretero muri Mbarara tungira haba Kampala to kutubija kuzishaka niko turi kujera natwaza aha artwork yitukuza kutwara ibanda. We are very careful, this team is very careful. They went to Ibanda and sat with people there, bajira had to take a hoha ugumwaka baba tuhereza kanda artwork abaro. So kutukuza kuzishaka where Roigi comes from. Roigi is on, he must appear on the pretty mark. Yes. They must appear on the flyer. Black.
Thank you. When I media houses, my influencers, TikTokers, bloggers and vloggers. Nienda kweba za director kubaza kubano banitwe abo kuba shimangwe kuba bingi. Bantu mwe nyonko zinabona FM. It is 6 years now. We are celebrating 8 years, but 6 years working with Bona FM. So nimbasha bangu obutwarga information eitu ya no wele incheninga mpango katwanze tujitekeyo. And what I know, director ninga shi management ya Bona FM tindu kujuana ninga kugira kikonke kindu kumanyango nesima emirimo iyo ko bogikoni hamyaka mukage ina mara nikora na Bona FM kozire twaza for portrait tours. Now this is Mbarara tour here to expecting ena mpango mnonga kandi kindi nshonga y'abantu babuza we kujango abana bari kungira baki batari afraya nyongera kugitangaza muko director yagitangazemo kujango nanye nimbandi omwe akachiko abari kuchuzinga performance tukashara mtu ajango Bona FM shibekwane tayira buri kichweka ninga shiburi district omuri Burenge Resort. So tukujango hati ni Mbarara tour twenda kutuyizuzeho abambarara munonga kandi twaja mu kanungu tuwa aba big bounce bayibona bakanungu twenda mutube no tuyizuzayo zana bambara. Then twaja mutwaza kuza 40 tugira ngo hata ba 40 twende no tuyizo, but at the same time nabwe abari kunjiri they have to perform abarabe bije na team era bene rugaru kunjiri eri kwisha kuno. So ekicho ntiza kwakiri kiri ambabi ne perform. Then ekindi bantu mubwire watu. So please push the information ike ahari buri umwe urukiri kwataho kugira ngo Ebiro mwenda abe namanya what is happening in Mbarara. Twakirebye tukashara mu kugira ngo tube turekire kushoza artwork na n'ekivuru kuki heheza munonga aba truth 256 student tufune byivuru nkindi nango umuntu achikwata information achikwata kubi agira ati Bona FM ne Rwanda truth abachi ahanike chivure cha truth kitaka hui. So tukasemto ajangu though it is our time konkaka twe turinzireho truth abanze yarga. So bandumwe ni basha watu warga ikatusindike information dene chinde kwenda kwa manisa the team we have here na nabatija konka bari ya team eji yo pushinga this event. It is the same team ni shabantu tugumze mutsindika mpaka Ebiro 12 byo kwa mushanju kwikachi buturu cha Bona FM. Ije ni event tuleneba omuri Burenge wizoba iyo kubasa crediting anka one of the biggest events abo ko wanjira ngo event akanakasi. So you can guess what is coming on 12